Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I will walk through a Databricks project. I have created analyzed restaurants data from Kuala Lumpur. This project fetches data from the Foursquare API, process it, and provide insight through charts, maps, and table. This goal is to help identify trends, visualize restaurant cluster, and even uncover investment in opportunities across different zones in the city. The data source for this project is the Foursquare Places API. It provides information about restaurants in various categories such as a cafe, bakeries, Asian restaurant. The data is gathered from multiple zones in Kuala Lumpur, including, you can see here, Bukit Bintang, KL Central, Petaling Street, or Jaya, Shah Alam, and so on. Code overview. Okay, I'll fetch data using Python request library. I retrieve restaurants data from each zone. Each process from the API includes details like restaurant's name, latitude, here, latitude, longitude, and category. And next phase is the data processing. The data is cleaned and organized into pandas data frame. Additional features such as clustering and saturation rates for analyze. And then clustering analysis. I use the k-means algorithm to cluster restaurants based on their categories. Each restaurant is assigned to a cluster, helping us identify pattern in how categories are distributed across the city. And visualization. The visualization are the core of this project. They include an interactive map with a cluster and restaurant displayed by category, bar charts showing restaurant distributions across cluster, and a heat map to compare the percentage of the each restaurant category by zone, and finally a stacked bar chart to visualize category cluster across different zones. Investment recommendation based on the category saturation rates. I highlight zone where a specific restaurant category are underrepresented. This insight can guide investment in underrepresented areas. And here, okay, in the interactive map shows restaurant restaurant cluster across all over Kuala Lumpur, color code, color coded by category. You can hover over points to see the restaurant's names, zones, and category detail. And next, bar chart display the number of restaurants in each cluster among display the number of the restaurant each cluster along with the top categories each cluster. You can see. Okay, and next is a heat map. Heat map highlights the distribution of the restaurant categories by zone as a percentage, making it easy to spot trends. For example, I focus on this section. For example, 100% in data set. Yes, it's not about all restaurants in Kuala Lumpur. It's just limited data sets in in this project. Okay, this Insta.js zone, we have 100% restaurant here. Okay, Chinese restaurant. Okay, and in Petaling Jaya we have 44% Chinese restaurant, and you can see different zone in this section. Okay, and here investment opportunities table, a clear table summarize the best zone for a new restaurant investment is sorted by a low competition and high demand. Okay, you can see cluster distribution. Okay, and you can see top investment opportunity by zone and restaurant category. Finally, this project demonstrates how we can combine API data, machine learning, and data visualization to uncover actionable insight. The code available on my GitHub, and you will find the link in the description below. If you're interested in similar project or have a question, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data science and data engineering content. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.